started.
Okay, so friends, I am Dr. Heena, and today for scholarship grade 7, today's topic is intelligent test, the subject name, and we are learning the questions or we are solving the questions that are based on comprehension. Now you all know what is meant by comprehension. Some information is given to you. You have to read those information carefully and you have to solve the problem that are based on the given information. Up to now we had learned the problem or we had solved the problem based on grammatical part of the English and uh, mathematical part. Now we have to learn the problem that are based on alphabets. So we all know there are 26 total alphabets in English, and they had grouped them into 5 groups by taking five alphabets in one group. So A to E one group, F to Z one group, K L M N O, P Q R S T U V W X Y, and Z is the 26 number ka alphabet. Whenever direction is not mentioned, always assume from left to right. Okay. So right side is your right side, not the board ka right side or the paper ka right side. Left side is always your left side. Okay. Now some problems are based on this alphabet series. So the very first question in the practice exercise is, in the alphabet series, which letter comes in the middle of 13th letter from E and the fourth letter to the left of that letter. Now see, we have to find the letter which is in the middle of 13th letter from this letter E and the fourth letter to the left of that letter. So you have to first find which is the 13th letter from E. So E is here. So 13th letter from E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay. So in the series, the 13th letter from E from F is R. Okay. So R is the 13th letter from E. Okay. Now one end we got. Now we have to find the fourth letter to the left of that letter. So fourth letter to left of the R we have to find first. Now see, find it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 13th letter from E is R and fourth letter from that letter left to that letter is N. Okay. Now we have to find the letter which is in middle between N and R. So left Q, left O. So P is there in the middle of these two letters. So like this, you have to read all the information carefully and you have to implement the information and find the answer. The next question is, in a new alphabet series formed by writing first 3 letters of each group of alphabet series in a reverse order, which letter will appear in the 21st position of this alphabet series? Now see, in each group the first 3 letters we have to write in a reverse order, means C will come first, then B, then E. Okay. Now they had asked which letter will appear in the 21st position. Now see, these are 5, 10, 15 and 20. Okay. And this is 21st position. But when we reverse the first 3 letter of this fifth group, W will appear as a 21st letter. Okay. Understood? Because we will write the series like W, V, U, X, Y. Because we have to reverse the first 3 letters. Like this, you can read the information if carefully, you can also be able to crack the sum. Assuming that the serial number of the letters of alphabet series is 5 times their original number. Means the number 1 become 5, 2 become 10, like this. So what will be the sum of new serial numbers of H and P? Now first H and P, their old serial numbers we have to find. So H is at 8th position and P is at 16th position. If their position number become 5 times the original, H position number become 40 and P's become 16 5 80. So addition of both of them will make the number 120. So your answer is option number 2. Okay. Now in which position from the right is the letter that comes one letter after P but is not adjacent to S in the alphabet series? Now see, this is letter P. Now in the from the right side, one letter after P is R and here it is N. But we don't want the letter adjacent to S. So the letter which is not adjacent to S is N and its number is, from the right we have to calculate. So these 5, 10, 11 and 12. So 12th number letter means letter N is the letter which is not adjacent to S but it is after one letter to P. Okay, so like this you have to crack the sums. Now we will skip some sums for your homework. Now see, the letters of which serial number in the alphabet series must be used in a sequence to form the word meaning intelligent. Now we have to find a word which is synonym to the word intelligent. So you all can write the letters which are at these positions in the given number and you all can check that which word mean intelligent. Okay, so this is also for your homework. You just have to put the letters instead of these numbers and you have to form the word. In a new alphabet series is formed by taking third and fifth letter from each group of the given alphabet series. Which pair of letter is equidistant from both the series? Now see, we had taken third and fifth letter from each group and we had made a new series. Now you first have to do what you have to do. You have to make the new series by taking third and fifth letter from each series and then you check that which two letters are at equidistance from both the ends. So you all can do it. Okay. So again this is for your homework. How you will take? So take third letter from first series as C, fifth is E, second series H, J, then M, O, like this. Fourth and fifth series you extract third and fifth letter. Now count from this end. H is at third position. Which letter is at third position from right end will match with the H and that is the correct answer. If the letter of the alphabet series are numbered as 2, 4, 6, 8, then which word is formed by using the letter with serial number 32, 10, 40 respectively? Now see, each letter, the whatever previous number it has, it becomes double. Okay, so 32 means the letter at the position number 16, 10 means at 5th position and 40 means at 20th position. Now check which letter is at 16th, 5th and 20th position. You all have book in front of you so you can check. So 5th position ka letter is E, 16th position letter is P and 20th position letter is T. So it becomes PET, pet. Okay, so your answer is option number 4, that is PET. Okay. So all the problems are based on this kind of pattern. Okay. Now the second pattern is the position of first and third group of the alphabet series are interchanged with each other. Means ABCDE is interchanged with KLMNO. Means KLMNO will come first, then second group, then ABCDE. Okay. Likewise, second and fifth group also interchange. So answer the following question accordingly. Now you all can made a new alphabet series, and as we had solved some of the examples, likewise you can solve these remaining examples. Try it at home. If there is any difficulty, we will take this topic, and till now try solving more and more problems that are based on this alphabet series. Okay, so we'll take the next topic in the next lecture.